Did you know that Vincent van Gogh once painted furiously through a violent thunderstorm, completely unfazed by the chaos around him? One evening in 1888, while residing in the French countryside, Van Gogh was working on his iconic Starry Night over the Rhone. As the storm rolled in, thunder cracked, and lightning illuminated the sky, Van Gogh's brush only moved faster. Local villagers watched in awe and disbelief from their windows, wondering if the artist had lost his mind. Yet, for Van Gogh, the tempest was a source of exhilarating energy, a mirror of his own turbulent emotions. By the time the storm passed, a breathtaking masterpiece had emerged. This moment exemplifies his unwavering dedication and passion, reminding us that true commitment to our craft can make us fearless in the face of life's storms.